So here are the stocks that are winning, that are crushing it, that are doing well. You have to remember, you buy stocks that are moving up, you buy stocks that are reversing. It does not make sense to buy stocks that are falling. It does not make sense to buy stocks that are in a downtrend. So here are the stocks that you've requested that are going up, that are still pushing, and you are winning in the market. So check this video out. So hey guys, good morning to all of you. I just landed in Manila just a few days ago. You remember, for those who've been following the videos, I was in Dubai, then went straight to Butuan. Then this weekend we had Stock Smarts Manila. It was such a fun time to talk, converse to a lot of the followers who are watching the videos on YouTube, but then actually come and also I get to see them live. So those who made it, I hope that whatever we talked about there is something that will benefit you when it comes to trading and investing. Especially the last weekend we focused on, and we talked about technical analysis. We focused on the greatness of how you can analyze the market just by using charts, that everything you need to know is found in the chart. So for this video, again, we will zoom in, hone in on the stocks that you guys requested, that the stocks that are doing well, the stocks that are in uptrends, reversals, stocks that are breaking out, because the name of the game is finding stocks that are going up, either going up in its range or going up into its uptrend. So this is based on the closing prices as of yesterday. So you know my style, eh? I analyze stocks in the evening, then decide on what I want to do the next day, if either I will buy, sell, or hold. So let's do this. First, for those who saw my Facebook post just a few minutes ago, I posted PNB as a stock that has been pushing and has been doing well, and I've been tracking this also for quite some time. So this stock has been up already 52.9% since the reversal. No, that's why we buy stocks when they're reversing. We buy stocks when they're out of it, when they're out of the downtrend. Now, if you look at it, it's a very, 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 very clear textbook uptrend. For those who attended our sessions and know about the ascending triangle solution formula technique, this is a stock that broke out from an ascending triangle as well. The stock is still, if you look at it, somewhere around November 15, the stock started to go and progress into its downtrend, and that's what's amazing about it. Then, just a few days ago, the stock massively broke out Feb 26, Feb 27 from the range that was preventing it. But you have to remember, regardless if it was moving past that range or not, the stock was already in an uptrend, and the stock that's in an uptrend will just continue to go up, and it will go up further until something shifts, until something changes. So there's two things that we know about PNB right now. Number one, it's in an uptrend. Number two, it's continually breaking out. So next thing you need to know is there's a resistance at around the 60 peso level. Since there's a resistance at the 60 peso level, failure to break out from the 60 peso level, sell, take profits if you're a quick trader, because there might be some retracements happening, or it may have a hard time going there. But if it fails to break out from 60, it still does not destroy the uptrend. So if you are a position trader, no need to sell yet. I'll give you an update should there be a reversal signal that would happen to the stock. Now, if the stock breaks out of 60, I've also noted that the next target price, the next area for it to go that you could possibly sell, I believe it's at the 68 peso level. Set your target prices at 68 pesos per share and take profits there if you are a quick trader, or you can set that as in an area for you to retrace, to take profits. So that's one, PNB. Number two, I'd like to talk about WLCON. WLCON has been crushing it, guys. I remember the time I was creating a video on this when it did its IPO 2 years ago. It was in Japan. I'll be in Japan again also, by the way, April 13, Investing Insights 2019, Japan with Randall Chongsa. So if you're there, I hope to see you also. But look at this. The stock is progressing in its uptrend. As the stock is progressing in its uptrend, you are a position trader, no need to sell, no need to panic, because the stock will just continue to progress and go in the direction of its uptrend. So the stock now is almost up plus 200+% already from the time we went in, the time the IPO also started. Now, if I'll zoom in naman, excuse me everyone, if I'll zoom in, you'll see this. There's another smaller, shorter uptrend here that if you follow, this is the next progression, and these are two relatively different support levels. One is at the 11.912 peso level. Then you have another one at the 14 peso level, which also coincides to another short-term support level here. So we already know that the movement that happened the past few days is because number one, it bounced from the 14.1 support level. Then second, it broke out from the 15 peso range. So two things now. Number one, you are a position trader, no need to sell. Hold either from the longer uptrend or the medium term uptrend. There's no need to sell as of this point in time. You are a quick trader. You are buying it because of the bounce from 14.1 and the breakout from 15 pesos per share. So your WLCON will continue to crush it. WLCON will continue to do well as long as it stays above the 15 peso mark, the 15 peso level. So there, amazing stocks, winning stocks, and that's how you do it. No, the strategy never changes. It's all about not looking at the news. It's all about not following your friend. It's all about using a set of techniques, either via technicals or fundamentals. People ask me, no, since all of the videos are about charts, do I use fundamentals? Of course, please remember, it's just easier to illustrate the charts via an online platform. But if you're an investor, make sure you know the fundamentals of the stock very well, because it's the fundamentals that will push you and take you to the next level. So next, I'd like to talk about STR. STR also, if you look at it, it's pushing in its uptrend. Look, the stock is in an uptrend. The stock that's in an uptrend will just continue to go up until something shifts, until something changes. So now it's faced with a resistance though at this level. So I think there's a resistance at 7.3. If it fails to break out 7.3, you are a quick trader. You may take profits, but if you are a position trader, as long as the uptrend still stands, hold your position. Breakout from S7.3 though will bring the stock to around 9 pesos for the short term. So that's amazing news for people who are holding STR, especially those who bought when it started to go up. The goal and the name of the game is to buy stocks that are in uptrends. If you know how to develop and to position and to find stocks that are moving in that direction, that's how you will win, and that's how you can segment and make money off of the markets. So that's it for now. I hope this video helps you know this plethora of stocks, winning stocks, that if you know how to use technical analysis well, it will allow you to win and crush it and do well in the market. That you don't have to do what everyone else is doing. You just have to follow your strategy, your technique, and that's what will help you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys. Bye-bye.